Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. I'm very proud today to share with you this new free tutorial by ear about the Zelda Lullaby. It's a long time ago that I made a free tutorial by ear, and we are in 2023, and it is a very good occasion to do that, because in a few days there will be the new adventure about Zelda. Breath of the Wind, it is the last episode, and we will discover in a few days a new opus of these video games. And yes, I think it's a good occasion to work on this beautiful lullaby. I made a cheat tunes in 2015, my first versions of these tunes for liver harp, and today I would like to share you a short cheat tunes that I made for these occasions, and you can find it on my eShop if you want. You can find also the old video course if you want to support my work. But today we will see these tunes. For this case, these tunes, it is for the 34 strings. I'm sorry, there are no 27 strings versions in my eShop, but maybe one day. So first that you must understand, it is that we are in C major, but we must change a little bit the lever. The first thing that we do, it is to down the B3 and to flip down to have the B flat. So it is the B3, okay? And after you must up the C4 and it become C sharp, okay? And the last one, it is F4 and we up to have F sharp, because we need at the certain point of the cheat tunes we need this sound, this one, okay? So if you download the cheat music that I have here, on the new versions you are only 2 pages, so it is very quick, it is very short, but it is beautiful too. To beginning these tunes, as you see on the video clip that I made for these special occasions, we have an ostinato. The first chord, it is C, G, E, okay? So I put my 4 and my 3 and I jump on E because I have a little hand. I'm sorry. So it is C, G, E. It is the first chord. C, G, E. And the second chord, it is C, A, F sharp. Okay? C, A, F sharp. So, and it is a ostinato, it is the first line of the cheat music. So we repeat 2 times. Try to practice. The little tips that I give you, it is that when I put my fingers, I put the middle, it is the 2, and after the C, and then jump to E, like this. So tuk, and I put on G, and after A. So G, C, E, A, C, F sharp. Okay? On this lullaby, there is only 3 parts, 3 sentences. There is A, B, and C. And the plan for this, for the cheat music, I just see, it is A, B star or B plus, C again plus ou prime, and we repeat a second times all the plan, and after we finish on A and B end. Okay, so now we will see the A. For this A there are two little parts. The first little part, it is we put A, B, D, and we play A, B, D on the 3, 2, 1, and we play B, D, A. Okay, again. And now we place the thumb on D. One more time. And just after, I put 4, 3, 2 on G, A, B. And I play G, A, B, D. And D, A. Okay, so it is the A part. Okay, again. Up. Okay, and if I want to play both ends, the left hand it is a ostinato, so the C, G, E and the C, A, F sharp. It is on the first note we have, on B we have C, G, E. And on A we have the second left hand C, A, F sharp. Okay, again. Okay, and on the second part, on the B we have again the C, G, E. And on the A we have again the C, A, F. Okay, so again. Okay, so if you want to practice, stop the video and practice, and we will go on the next sentence. Okay, so for the B part, we put 3 fingers on B, D and A here, and we play B, D, A, and put 2 and 3 on G and D, and cross, and C, B, A, 1, 2, 3. This is the first example. So okay, the second thing that you can do, it is 3, 2, 1, 2, jump, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You choose what you want. Okay, and for this B part we have a new chord, and it is one of the, maybe for the beginners that want to study this tune, it is too little hard because we must memorize 4 chords.